keyboards, exams, and equity, what new research means for inclusive education. A recent Guardian article, the 20th of August, 2025, has highlighted new research from University College London, suggesting that students perform significantly better when using keyboards in exam settings compared to handwriting. This development carries profound implications for the future of assessment and inclusive education in the UK.
The study observed 156 state school pupils, around half with identified learning difficulties, completing mock exams under both handwriting and typing conditions.
There are an estimated 6.5 million adults within the UK alone who are classified as carers. Carers UK, 2015.